All right, we finally got everything running. My battery was low, so I had to turn on the location services. We're on pure electric now, so we're gonna speed up this road, see how fast we can get. This is a dirt road, so I will be running slower than I would typically run on a paved road. And I'm going slightly uphill, and I can manage up to 21, 23, 25, 26. I don't know if that's miles per hour or kilometers. Yeah, it gets up to speed. That was going slightly downhill. It seems this is kilometers per hour. I don't think this is miles per hour. That was pretty fast. Made it all the way to 30 miles per hour. So let's see here what we have. Stop by. Check. Speed. Oops. Well, I don't know if it was taking the speed in kilometers per hour or miles per hour. I'll have to find that later. But it gets pretty fast.